This is my brand new to me is300. Now, if you look on my channel, you'll see one that looks exactly like this one, like same doors and everything. One that I bought off Copart, but this is not that one. Hold on. Come to this side though, it damn near is. So this I bought off my sister, but she bought it off one of my friends that he's the one who bought pretty much every body panel off my IS, and he put it on this one. So that fender, that door, this hood, and then what else? The bumper, but the bumper's been cracked and stuff since then. The headlight, the grill. This is quite literally my old IS. So this is the new, like, this is damn near the same IS. That's the only reason why I bought it. Now, it needs a lot of work, but this thing is quite literally bone stock. We're going to be doing a lot to this car. Now, one of the biggest things is this right here. Yes, it has the average rust. Now, with the IS market, with it being fucking crazy how it is, people trying to charge $5K for some shit like this, I overpaid for this, but for good reason, because it is pretty much my old car. It has like sentimental value. Now, this thing, completely bone stock engine, stock exhaust, stock suspension, everything. The only thing that the, not previous owner, but like 3 owners ago, they cut the VSC or VSS sensor, the fucking cable for it disables everything, and they would slide it. That's why it has all new panels, because it was crashed. It's a clean title. This side's fine. The rest on this side's fine. This thing is like, it's gonna be a great project. I have big plans for this. If you guys watched my other video like a while ago, or not a while ago, but the Beamer in the background, you might have seen a 2J block. It's a GT block that I'm gonna throw in this. So this is pretty much getting fully built. It's gonna be a great project. Stay tuned on the channel. It's gonna be worth it. Now, it needs some work, don't get me wrong. I plan on buffing it, because if you see hella swirls and shit, I'm gonna buff the whole car, so that'll be a video here soon. Taillights, honestly, might just re-clear coat them. They don't look bad. The rust, we're gonna fix that. I have someone, because the actual underneath and like technically the frame rails, which you can kind of see right there, it's rusted out. That's my main thing. I'm gonna have someone weld in that. This shit right here, probably get some side skirts and cut it out and then like seal it and everything for now. Get some rims, lower it, and then after that, pretty much just mainly obviously new front bumper and headlights. And after that, it's just gonna be all engine and interior stuff. Now, let me show you this engine real quick. I was about to get in the car and, you know, pop the hood, but drift car, I guess. Well, I still gotta grab the hood prop. It's fine. Again, a lot of swirls. We're gonna buff the whole car. Absolutely stock 2J, upgraded radiator. My sister did that one because the old one blew up. Now, the main thing, it needs a timing belt bad, and the cam gear sensor seals. Or not the sensor, I don't know why I said that. The actual cam gear seals needs that replaced. Also than that, it has the valve covers done, so I don't got to worry about that. And yeah, it's fucking bone stock. Stock headers, stock everything. I'm pretty much just going to be building it this summer to make it look clean, and then during the winter pulling the engine and making it as fast as I can on a budget. Interior, it's a little dirty right now. Average Lexus. It's 240K miles, and it runs better than my GS. Has a 2J. It's a GS300. Has 160K miles. That thing runs amazing. This thing runs better. The rear, it's clean. Oh, it's locked. Hold on. The back seats, it's a cleaner car. I cleaned it out yesterday, but we are going to be gutting this. Not gutting it. We're going to do the rear seat delete, and I'm going to get the panels to block everything, so it's actually going to be done right instead of looking like shit. Same with these rear doors. The front, gonna get bucket seats, And then bucket seats are gonna be done. Wheel, I am gonna do like harnesses and everything, and not a cage, but something along those lines. I don't know. My plan for this is 700 to the wheel. And yeah, this is what I mean by they cut the VSC sensor. There's a little cable down there next to the fuse box that you can cut, and it turns off all the traction control, brake assist, everything. So we are going to be fixing that, but this thing is bone stock. It runs amazing. Like, it doesn't get better than this. Everything is stock in here. Quite literally everything is stock. We even have the fucking rare ass shit. Yes, sir. So I think I might do still a regular radio here, like what I had in my old IS, which takes up the whole thing. And then we're gonna do the performance like stuff in there on the screen, and that should look fire as fuck. But yeah, bone stock. They just have that wire cut. We're gonna be fixing everything, so stay tuned for all of that. Pretty much gonna be, I want it to look how it is now, maybe bumper side skirts and then drag back and make like 700. That is the goal with this, so you guys will see it on the channel. I'm gonna do everything and record it. It needs tire rods. I'll probably do those here soon. Maybe coilovers here soon, I don't know. But yeah, you guys want to see me build this, like, subscribe, and that's pretty much it for now.